How to change the password of your UTS mobile application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change the password of your UTS mobile application. So in order to change the password of your UTS mobile application, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open your UTS mobile application. The steps are identical for both the Android and iOS devices. So as here you can see, the application has been launched, and within this particular interface you need to click onto this profile button that appears right here. So simply click onto this profile button and it will show you your current profile of UTS. Now in this profile section you have different types of option, and at the very top you can see this button that says change password. So simply click onto this change password button and it will give you this particular field from where you will first need to enter your current password, then enter your new password and re-enter the new password. And once you are done with that, you need to click onto this change password button. You might also need to verify it by providing an OTP sent to your registered mobile number, and once you will enter the OTP, your new password will be successfully implemented throughout your UTS mobile application. So that was all for this quick and easy tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe as well. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.